Are you in the real estate industry? Have you been looking for a new, efficient way to get more callers, prospective buyers and existing clients to call you, without the hassle and cost of printing? Then Compumagick's QR codes for real estate agents and agencies is the solution you need. Our QR codes enable you to quickly get pre-filled SMS messages, emails, WhatsApp messages, FaceTime calls, Wi-Fi connection details, custom calendar events, cryptocurrency payments, digital business cards and more, all just by scanning a QR code that you provide them with. The best part is, you don't even have to worry about updating the material, as our dynamic links make sure that any changes you make to the destination URL will be automatically updated. By using Compumagick's QR codes for real estate agents and agencies, you can make your business more efficient and save a lot of time and money. So don't wait any longer. Schedule a quick Zoom meeting with us today using the link in the video description after this video to find out how our solution can help you be more successful. Thank you for watching and don't please forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos.